Nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I want to read to you what somebody wrote to me. It's a challenge. Check this out. I picked up the case and not the phone. Okay, here we go. Check this out. Dear Uncle Chris, there is no way you could possibly make a fancy meal like Chinese takeout from the food pantry, such as orange chicken and other things like that. Sincerely, blah, 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 blah. Challenge accepted. Nieces and nephews, let's go over to the stove. I've got my wok heating up right now. I'm gonna do orange chicken, and I'm gonna also do you one better. Broccoli with mushrooms in soy garlic sauce. Let's go.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
All right, I've got everything we need right here. And guess what? The main ingredients came from the food pantry. Remember that chicken I got just the other day? I marinated it overnight in garlic. Oh, yes. Then I've got some broccoli. I've got some sweet chilies, some mushrooms, some water to put my salt-free bouillon in. I don't need the green seasoning. How'd that get in there? I got some garlic, some sesame oil, which, by the way, came from the food pantry, some onion powder, some red pepper, I'll use mildly, some more sesame oil, soy sauce, black pepper, a wok heating up, and a cast iron skillet. Let's do this! To get started first, I'm going to start with my chicken. Put a splash of oil into my wok and let it heat up. I'm going to also put some oil into my skillet. Let that heat up. If I have too much oil, I'll just put it back, which I do. I'm going to take my sesame oil and put about a few drops in because it's very potent. We had some popping grease I had to fix. First, I'm going to put in my chicken because it takes the longest. We're going to cook this chicken till it's brown all over. And I just realized I need an onion diced up, some ginger, and some garlic. Over to the island we go. Chop one onion. Set it to the side. It's a rough chop. Don't judge me. Just a couple slivers of ginger. Move this over. Garlic. On our plate. Back over to the stove. Chicken is starting to smell good. Let's keep moving it around. Because remember, we want this completely browned. Okay? Broccoli into the hot oil. Yes. That's the sound we want, nieces and nephews. Oh yeah. Into our 4 cups of liquid, our 2 packs of chicken bouillon. Stir it up. Oh yeah. We're going to put in just a couple of the cloves of garlic over the top. Teaspoon black pepper. A generous teaspoon of garlic powder. Half of our chopped onion. 4 shots of low sodium or reduced sodium soy sauce. This stuff is good. Okay, so I did 6. We're going to let this cook on down until it makes its own nice, savory little sauce. To thicken it, if you want a thicker sauce, put a little bit of flour or cornstarch. I have flour. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Yes, sir. Oh, ma'am. Mix it in good. Trust the process. I'm going to put on the only top I can find. Don't laugh. Now, let me stir our chicken around. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Now at this point, the chicken is halfway done. We're going to add in our ginger and our garlic. Ooh, yes, stir it around. Two shots low sodium soy sauce. 1, 2. Keep the fire up. Keep it going. When this is completely brown, I'll be right back. See, nieces and nephews, our chicken over here has turned a nice golden brown, okay? Now at this point, we're going to add in our onion, okay? Teaspoon of black pepper. Now, you do not have to do this. I'm just doing it because I like spice. You can omit this step. I'm putting in a teaspoon of red pepper just to give it a little bit of a zing. Or maybe a little more than a teaspoon. All right, that's enough. I'm so crazy. Now, our low sodium soy sauce. I'll put in 8 dashes. Okay. I have some sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to put in at least half a cup. Okay. I'm putting in the juice of 2 oranges. That I got from the food pantry. right. I'm going to let this cook down until it totally coats the chicken in a sauce. And it will. I'm going to add a little bit more sweet and sour sauce. Just because I want to make sure it gets coated really good. Okay. This is going to make a nice, thick, sweet and sour orangey sauce. Look at that. Already it's doing. Make sure your fire stays up on your wok. Okay. Now as you see, our broccoli is almost done. Yeah. I have it on very high heat to reduce the liquid down to a sauce. All right. I will be back and show you our sauce reductions. Stir it as it reduces. Nieces and nephews, look at that sauce. Look. Oh. Just look at that. Now, I didn't have any oyster sauce or fish sauce to make it turn brown, but that's okay. This looks good. Now that it's at that point, take your mushrooms, put them in there at the last minute, because that way they will retain their shape and flavor and cook in the hot sauce, and it's all right. It'll give a really, really good flavor. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now at this point, turn off the heat, because the heat from the hot skillet will be enough to render those mushrooms with the broccoli. I'm going to put a top on that and let it steam. Now over here, let's take a look. Look at this. Oh. I'm going to turn off my fire. Give this a bit of a stir, because this is really hot now. We're going to let it stop boiling. But look at that. Look at, oh my goodness. Look. Oh. How you like me now? Okay. I'm going to plate this dish. I wish I had made some rice, because this sauce is the boss over top of some rice. Oh yeah. All right. I'm going to plate this dish and be right back. Nieces and nephews, oh my goodness. This, oh, let me get a fork. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Ooh, nieces and nephews. I just don't. Okay, this is hot, so I gotta blow it. Get some of the mushroom, plus the broccoli. I really wish I'd done some rice with this. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. This is really good. Let me get some of this chicken. I'm trying to do this one-handed. But it's pretty tender. So, I got a little bit and some of the sauce. Wow. Try this one. This is a hit. This is a hit. Now, to that person who says you can't get fancy and make Asian food from the food pantry, oh yes you can. It's only good fun. No, they were just teasing me to do this dish for them, show them could it be done, and yes, it can be done. I want you to, well, where's right to left, right to left? Oh, like, comment, subscribe. I want you to write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Let me know what's going on. And I also wanted to go, hey, Rebecca, wonderful talking to you. I'm going to talk to you this weekend, and let's swap some ideas. Rebecca is one of our nieces. She wrote to me and said, give me a call. So I did. And I love talking to her. She's a wonderful person. Wonderful. Joe, he's getting better. Thank goodness for your prayers. And soon Jay will be back because now he's out of school. I'm trying to think of what else. Oh, we do have the Puerto Rican rice coming up, and I've got a special food pantry haul for you guys. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I think you're really, really gonna like this, okay? All right. If you need food, write to me. Don't you dare be afraid to write to me. I will be more than happy to help you, okay? I'm serious. Now, I'm gonna go have lunch and chow down. Big love from Uncle Chris. So good. I can't wait. I'm serious.